welcome back. It's me. Ta-da. By the way, my lips pucat sekali. Okay, it's good, I think. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, this is my second video for mathematics of business, guys. I think you still remember the before video. Just for mathematics of business, I will explain for you using English language. I'm so sorry, but I think this is we can study together. Okay, right, guys? Let's get started for the material. Let's go. Okay, the material is Understanding Linear Function by Rizky RAMADHANI. Yeah, by me, by Rizky. My NPM is 2341172. I am a Teknokrat university student majoring management. Yes, you know, you remember me. Yes, introduction. Introduction for me. My name is Rizky. I'm from Lampung. Just for your information, guys, I'm from Lampung. And then my hobby is singer. Actually, I want to be a singer, guys, but I think, it's not now. Maybe I still don't have to learn class of singing, guys. I just focus for my studies in management. Yeah. Okay, next, the first introduction lah ya. You know, the first, so pasti kita bakal tentang introductions to linear functions. What is linear function? Linear function are an essential concept in mathematics and have a wide range of application in real world scenarios. A linear function is a function that can be represented by a straight line on a graph. It has a constant rate of change or slope and intercept, which is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. This is y and x. You know that, yeah. Next slide. Graphing linear function. The first, guys. I'm sorry. What is a linear function? A linear function is a function with a constant rate of change. This means that for every increase in the input variable, the output variable increases or decreases by a constant amount. Constanta, you know that. And the second, graphing linear function. To graph a linear function, we need to plot two points and draw a straight line through them. The 2 points can be found by closing any two values for the input variable, plugging them into the equation and solving for the output variable. Yeah, you know, you understand, guys? I hope so. Okay, next, slope and intercept. What is slope? Slope is the measure of how steep a line is. It is calculated as the change in y divided by the change in x between 2 points on the line. Okay, and then intercept. The intercept is the point where a line crosses the y and x. It is represented as 0 b. In the equation y sama dengan y sama dengan mx plus b, where m, dimana m is the slope and b is the intercept. Jadi m itu slope-nya, b intercept. Okay, next, linear equation. Wow. Okay guys, linear equation. A linear equation is an equation that describes a straight and straight lines on a graph. It can be written in the form y. Oke, saya jelasin pakai bahasa Indonesia. Jadi y sama dengan mx plus b, where m, dimana m is the slope of the line and b is the y intercept. Okay, solving linear equations. To solve a linear equation, isolate the variable on one side of the equation and simplify. For example guys, to solve an equation is 3x plus 4, jadi 3x plus 4 sama dengan 10. Subtract 4 from both sides to get 3x, untuk mendapatkan 3x sama dengan 6. Then divide both sides by 3 to get x sama dengan 2. Grab a linear equation. To grab a linear equation, plot the y intercept b on the y-axis and use the slope or m to find another point on the line. Then draw a straight line through those 2 points. Okay, next slide. Application of linear function. Cost, volume, profit analysis. Linear function are used to analyze the relationship between cost, volume, and profit. These analyses help business determine the break-even point and make informed decisions about pricing and production levels. And then supply and demand. Linear functions can model the relationship between supply and demand in a market. These analyses help businesses make decisions about pricing and production level to maximize profit. Okay, next slide is system of linear equation. What is a system of linear equation, guys? A system of linear equation is a set of 2 or more linear equations with the same variable. The solution to a system of linear equation is the set of values that make all of the equations true simultaneously. Methods of solving system of linear equation. There are several methods for solving system of linear equation, including graphing, substitution, and elimination. Each method has its own advantage and disadvantage, and the choice of method often depends on the specific problem at hand. Okay, real world example. This is for the last. Linear functions are used in many real world applications, from calculating the cost of a pond plan to predicting the growth of a business. Here are some examples. The first, calculating the cost of a pond plan based on the number of minutes used and the monthly fee. The second, prediction the growth of a business based on past sales data and market trends. For the fourth, determining the optimal route of a delivery truck based on distance and time constraints. For the last, calculating the trajectory of a project line such as a rocket or a bullet based on its initial velocity and angle of launch. Okay lah, any question guys? If you have question, you can take the question in question box. Maybe that's all for me guys. Thank you so much. I hope you understand what's about I saying for you. Bye bye.